Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we all doing today? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Justine? Right? What's up, brother? Good morning, Robert. Let's go. We're back. We are live. How are we all doing today? What's up, Gabriel? Doing good, doing good. How's everyone doing? We had some decent moves for our Friday, honestly. Not bad. Like made a nice rip up and then kind of like forming a range kind of right here at the moment. What's up, Amit? Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Yeah, bouncing right here. What's up, Bob? Yeah, we're chilling today. We're just working on these pro accounts. Guys, we went on a 3-day losing streak, remember that? And then we switched to micros, so now we're trading 5 micros. So we'll see what happens. Yup. Yeah, I'm glad we walked away yesterday on that one and done play, honestly. It was so slow and choppy. Yep. Good morning, everyone. Alright, I got a new 5 minute, 5 seconds. What's up, Isaac? I want to see how it reacts to this bottom area again. This was like kind of like a bounce area it's forming. But yeah, price made a huge, big rip up this morning. And now we're kind of just forming a range. We could capitalize on a range if it still respects it. Let's see how it reacts right here. Maybe look for a bounce play, maybe. Yeah, I was thinking maybe a bounce around this area, 760, Nate. Yeah, maybe around here too. Because the trend is still up at the moment. We haven't flipped bearish yet. We made a rip up. Pretty bullish. And then now we're forming a top range right here. Yeah, Gabriel, it's not bad. You could play off some ranges, honestly. Like some of the ranges, like yeah, you risk 10-15 points and you're looking to make like 30 to 50. Like on a good range, it's pretty solid. Like the RR is pretty nice. But like a slow choppy range like yesterday is like, yeah, no bueno. Depends on the range. What's up, John? Good morning. What's up, Lefty? Because I mean, like, if we like respect these levels, like 65 to here, that's a 60-point range right here, right? And we're only risking like maybe 10-15 points. If it respects this, that's a nice 1 to 3, 1 to 4 at least. Good morning, Twain. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm in Cali. What's up, Jasmine? Zara traded nice. Yeah, I think it's at all-time highs, right? Silver. Thank you, John. This is the longest I've grown it out. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, silver's been ripping. Yep, gold's ripping up too. They going hard. Yeah, everyone telling me to trade gold, but I never traded gold. What was it, GC? What the fuck? Yeah, I'm just gonna stick with NQ for now. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I've always found success with NQ. It's like a love-hate relationship. Yeah, guys, we're kind of right in the middle of a range right here, so I want to see how it reacts to this bottom area or top area, and then maybe look for an entry. It's a Friday. We're saving these accounts. We switched down to micros. We need $500 more to, and we can request anything over 2K, so that'll be pretty nice. GC, G6, thank you, Justine, right? Yeah, I don't know nothing really about gold, honestly, if I'm being honest. Shino fan, soon. We're soon gonna full port, yeah. We're full porting Fridays. Alright, new 5 minute, 10 seconds ago. Well, guys, remember this 26,000 level right here? This is a... Ooh, good thing I went here. This 26,000 area right here. I forgot I switched back to minis. This 26,000 area right here. This is a big level. Remember that, guys. We had a lot of fight there the first week. We were kind of ranging up there. Now, I thought we were going to hit there today because look at this big rip up. Like, we were only like 160 points away. Like, we could have easily hit that. We low-key might if we catch momentum. Like, maybe it could, like, play out this range and then bounce up. But, I mean, we're around 200 points away. But we saw some big moves this week. On Wednesday, guys, we saw, like, 400 or 500 point swing in the up. 400 point swing down. Then, like, a 500 point swing up. So, we could see a big move. You don't know, but it's a Friday, end of week. Slower day. Lunch session, so generally it might slow down. But we had news at 6:45, which didn't really do anything. Yeah, as our surgery, I was really expecting it to like keep ripping, honestly. Like just those days where it just keeps on ripping. Like we could have hit that if it just kept on going, but then it made a big pullback. Now we're in a range right here. Yeah, guys, but we got our first payout video of 2026 posted. We're gonna get some more payout videos this year. It's gonna be nice. Alright, kind of popping up here. The trend is still up, but I would have liked to see like a pullback to here and then maybe look for an entry. But I wouldn't really enter right here. M5, nice. You back on the 50Ks? Because I remember you liked the 150Ks. Yeah, I gotta put that money to work. Yeah, nice M5. That's a great day to start, honestly. $300, because you need 5 trading days anyways. See, a lot of people, they try to like rush it and force it and be like, oh, I need to make $1,500 today on the challenge. But you gotta trade 5 days anyway, so there's no reason to rush it, especially on a Friday. Yeah, just lock it in at M5. That way you're not going into the weekend all kind of annoyed, like, oh shit, I should have just locked it in. We're kind of just floating around this middle area right here. But people have been saying that the 25K accounts on the TakeProfitTrader is really good. And it's actually nice because it's actually at 1-to-1 drawdown to profit target. So it's pretty nice. Alright, we got a new 5-minute in 20 seconds. Alright, we're kind of like just hesitating right in the middle right here. Yeah, the 25Ks. Yeah, a lot of people like the 25Ks. They say they're pretty good because you can request anything over 1,500. You gotta make 1,500. It's a 1-to-1. Alright, new 5-minute right here. 15-minute. Nice emit. Yeah, it's a lot better because guys, remember when TakeProfitTrader had it? If you hit the daily loss limit, you would blow the account and lose it. Dude, I hated that rule so much. Because sometimes you could literally have slippage and it would like slip you. And then you just blow the accounts. So I'm very happy they got rid of that rule. Hey, nice, Kev. Hey, everyone loves the 25K. Shit. Yeah, I was saying, like, knock on wood, hopefully I don't blow these accounts, but if I do get another set, they might be the 25s. But I'd rather not. Yeah, great job, Kev. It's a great way to end Friday. Get a payout locked in. Yeah. Guys, we have decent stats on these. Guys, on these accounts since when we started them on Monday last week, we have a profit factor of 2.46 and a win rate percentage of 60%. It's not bad. Yeah, Mitt. Yep. Co-case in there gets you to 40% off. No activation fee. Yeah, no problem, Kev. Good job, man. Yeah, it depends, Rambo. Sometimes we catch cleaner moves, but I noticed, yeah, on the last Thursdays and Fridays have been pretty bad afternoon sessions. But the other days have been pretty solid. But like, yeah, last Friday too was pretty bad, choppy. Thursday last week was choppy. Yesterday was really choppy, like bad chop. Nice, True Shades. You're on day 6. Hey, you got 2 more days? Nice, man. Lock it in. Rudy, no, we're using TakeProfitTrader right now. We got 5 funded. Going good, Trunks. How you doing, brother? Yeah, guys, we're in the middle of a range right here, so we're staying cash right now. Remember, cash is a position. We were kept forcing trades on a choppy day, and we got wrecked. And we're not gonna do that. We're gonna be cool, calm, collected, and wait for a nice setup. Yeah, Gabriella. Yep. 40% off. Yeah, so the TakeProfitTrader code, if you use code casinator at checkout and hit apply, you get 40% off and no activation fee. So it's pretty nice. So you can get a 50K account for $102. Like these accounts I paid like $510. So it's pretty nice. I like the no activation fee. Their best sale, which doesn't happen too often, is the test refund. They had that on Black Friday. But it doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's a great sale. You get a refund if you get a payout. So you can get free funded accounts basically. I've done it before. It was pretty nice. Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Thank you guys for using my code. It really means a lot. Yeah, M5. Yep. Yeah, guys. I paid $510 for these accounts. Then I already got $3,600. So on these accounts, I profited like $3,100, and they're still alive. Like if I get another payout, I mean that's profit just on these accounts. It's pretty nice. Like you can make it up on one payout. You see the power of that? It's just hard getting there. But when you do get there, it's nice. That's why we switched down to micros. I realized with 2K to draw down, one mini is kind of too big, honestly. Because you could easily go on a 3-5 day losing streak and blow that. Thank you, True Trades. Yep. Yeah, we already got a $3,600 payout already with these accounts. That's pretty good. And we're at $1,500, so we still have them alive, guys. Like, we're still here. We could get another payout. What's up, Dave, brother? No trades yet today. We're just being patient right now. Yeah, we gotta milk these true trades. Yeah, that's literally my plan. Get them to the buffer again. So 2,000. Just trade micros, 5 micros. Try and be done in like 1 to 2 trades. Any profit, just lock it in. Cause dude, like $250 on the day with these, that's $1,000 payout after the fee. That's pretty good. Like $1,000 off a small day. I mean, that's a great salary. Rudy, I've been trading since 2023. Futures basically 2024. What's up, William? Thanks for joining in, brother. Oh, I want to see how I really want to see like it come down to this area. I wouldn't want to look for an entry right here because it's kind of in the middle of a range right here. So I'd much rather wait for a bottom entry or maybe a short entry up here and play off this range. Because right now it just formed a range. We made a big rip up, but now it's making a top range right here. Overall trend is still up, so I'd rather look for like kind of like a bounce play, small risk, and look for like a nice 1 to 2, 1 to 3. That's my plan. But I want to see how it reacts. Charonks, probably gonna get some legacy accounts with them. They look pretty solid, honestly. So I'll probably try those. Cause you can have 5 accounts, and then you can get a 6K payout max per account per payout. But like realistically, you need a $12,000 balance to do that. So it's kind of unrealistic with a 50K account if we're being realistic. But it's nice to have if you have like a nice winning days. You know, that's a big payout right there. So I might get some. I want to get some payouts first, and then I can start buying more accounts or whatever, and keep the ball rolling. That'll be ideal. Rudy, I started with options in 2023. I lost money that year. 2024, I got 300 grand in payouts. I started like end of 2023 with propfirms, and I made a lot of money 2024. Then 2025, I lost a lot of money. So it's like an up and down cycle, honestly. That's literally trading. I'm documenting the journey. But I got my first payout when I started with propfirms, like 2 months. But honestly, on that payout, I think I got kind of lucky, if I'm being honest. That 7 grand top set payout. Because like one day I made like a crap ton of money, and I just flipped the rest pretty much. So I just locked it in. Oh no, Rudy, I'm only using propfirms. No options. I am out of that. I do not like options trading. I don't like all the Greeks, the Ivy Crush, Theta Decay, all this crap you gotta worry about. I like futures. It's so much better. Because to me, it's realistic trading. Because you can literally... It respects like your price, right? So like if you enter right here, and then you have a stop loss at right here. Alright, if it hits there, you're at break even. With options, if it goes up, does some funny business, chop around, and then comes back to your entry and stops you out, you lost money. Because of all that Theta Decay, IV Crush. So I think futures trading is like realistic trading, honestly. Still risky, obviously. So just be wary. I like propfirms because your max loss is how much you pay for these accounts, right? So like I know, like if I don't have a live account, obviously, because you don't want to get margin and all that. But like here, my max loss is $510 if I lose these accounts. So I already know my risk. This is my risk. That's what I like about it. And the leverage and risk to reward is a lot better with propfirms. Yeah, Apex, yeah, they added a lot of rules. They started banning profitable traders. Yeah. Yeah, Rudy, of course. California, Trunks. Yeah, M5. Yeah. Those were good days. 20 accounts. Like the 50Ks, $2,000 each. That's a 40 grand payout. Crazy. Yeah, that's crazy too, yeah. But the thing is, Apex, they put you on a eval ban. They like say like, oh, if you take payouts, right? Which is so sketch. It's like, oh, he's taking payouts, he's profitable. We'll put him on eval ban for a path to live. We want to see how you do it for live. But realistically, they want you to blow the accounts and not trade with them anymore. But it's like, if you keep blowing accounts and you're not getting payouts, oh yeah, you can gladly stay with them, no problem. Hey, keep buying accounts, it's okay. Yeah, they used to never deny. They never had video recordings. They did not have that MAE rule. That's what a lot of people are getting clipped on, is that 30% MAE rule. DayDay, the only ones that are good are like ones that can have like multiple live accounts, like TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify, and now like Lucid. Because you can still copy trade 5 accounts. Most of them are like daily payouts, like I know TakeProfitTrader is. And yeah, you can still get that leverage of copy trading 5 accounts and daily payouts. So those firms are good with. Yeah, Rudy, that's why I like TakeProfitTrader. I don't have to worry about getting my payout denied. You just follow the rules. Like pretty much I just don't let it hit 0 or trade news pretty much. And then I still have these accounts alive. I can request anything over $2,000 daily on 5 accounts. I mean, like, it's a nice reinsurance. It's not, you don't have to like worry and think like, oh, are they gonna deny my payout, or are they gonna do this? Did I break a rule? You don't have to worry about that, and it's a lot less stressful, right? Because I know if I make $500 above the buffer, I know I can get a $2,000 payout at the end of the day. I'm not tripping. I already know that. That's why I like it. Yes, sir, Sam. Yes, sir. We're starting the year right. I want a new and improved, better version of 2024 Casinator. That 2024 Casinator was good, but this year we're getting a better one. New and improved. But yeah, guys, we have a very interesting video posting on Saturday. It's like a different type of video. It's like a raw talk drive. I think it's pretty cool. It's something I haven't really done before. It's like a raw talk with a drive. I think it looks kind of sick. Yeah, I think it'd be pretty cool. It'll be on Saturday, guys. Twain, I just can't let these accounts hit 0, basically. So it's end of day drawdown. Now, it's trailing once you first get the funded accounts. But once you hit the buffer of $2,000, now all you have to do is not let it hit 0, and then you have the accounts live. What I like about TakeProfitTrader too is all the other firms are plus 100, so they kind of jip you on an extra $100. That's like every firm now, except for maybe like one. I think maybe Topstep doesn't do that either, which is nice. But All the other firms, you can't let it hit $100. So I mean, $100 that could save you, and 5 accounts. You know, that's an extra $500. So I like that. You just can't let it hit 0 now. And it's end of day, which is very nice. So we did the hard part. We passed the challenge, and then the next very hard part is passing the drawdown on a trailing draw on these accounts, and we did that. So now the next hard part, keeping them alive. That's literally it. Yeah, I like that M5. I mean, if you're like trading news, it's already kind of gambling. Let's be realistic. If you're trading like a CPI or NFP, like it's gambling. Come on. Like, you don't know where it's gonna go. It's huge candles. John, yep. Yeah, we're looking strong right here. Yeah, some nice growth. Yeah, we're locking it in. The beard's growing. The payouts are growing. Everything's going up. The live streams are growing. Yeah, guys, I'm just staying cash right now because we're literally right in the middle of a range, and there's no point in entering right in the middle of a zone right here. I'd rather wait for a bottom or top entry. Day. I like base hits, like smaller winning plays. Obviously, if you want to let your winner run, which I did on these accounts, I would trail them. So like if I'm up in profit, I like trailing my winner. So that way it gives it room to keep going in your favor, which you want, but also protecting your capital because of the trailing. So yeah, taking smaller wins and then also like trailing a good winner is my recommendation. Yep. Yeah, M5, I agree with that. Thank you, Sam. Yep, thank you. Let's go, Ryder. Yep, you got him for next week. Let's go. Good job. What's up, Ani? What's up, Michael? What's up, Lord Luce? Appreciate you, man. Wish you guys all the best as well. Yeah, Sam, I'm just being myself, honestly. That's why I like these streams and like my videos, my vlogs. Like, I'm literally just myself. Hey, you got it, Russell. $100 is nothing on that account. You still got $1,400 left to work with. You got it, Russell. Yeah, same thing. Just take smaller base hits, trail your winners, good risk management, stuff like that. $100 is nothing. You can make that back on one trade. Yes, sir, Ryder. We're being very consistent this year, y'all. Like, I'm serious. We're being very consistent and disciplined. Live streaming Monday through Friday. We're getting the main videos out. I'm hoping to get 3 main videos out minimum a week. So that's nice content. We got the vlogs back. We got shorts content. We're active on Discord and Instagram. Yeah, we got a new and improved Casinator coming in. AJ, I'm 26. I just turned 26 at the beginning of the year. I'm getting a little unk status. A little unk. What's up, Internet? How's it going, brother? Glad to see you joining in as always. Michael, we're trading 5 pro accounts right here. Yes, sir, Ryder. Thank you. Yeah. Unk. Yeah, I was looking at pictures of me when I was younger. I had no facial hair. I was like, damn, I look freaking young. Wait. I have a picture of me. I have a picture of me before the tattoos. My grandma literally sent it to me this morning as a memory. Guys, look, no tattoos and no facial hair. Look at this. Can you guys see that? I look hella young. This is 2019. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's blurry and shit. I'm literally hella young. Oh, it's blurry as fuck. Can't see it. But yeah, I had no facial hair, no tattoos. I was like, damn, I look different. Yeah. Here? This is a bad blur. Oh, that's horrible. You can't even see that shit. M5, yeah, dude, we're like the same age. Rudy, yeah. Yeah, I started pretty young. I started ProfFirms like 24. Internet 35, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that blurs are horrible. Yeah, I notice a lot of people with ProfFirms are like in their like 20 to like 40s. Like, yeah, especially around the like upper 20s, lower 30s. Which is pretty cool. Damn, you know. Yeah, my grandparents, they're like, come on, Case, you gotta get to work. We want some grandbabies. I'm like, shit, hey, relax here. Come on, let's get to work, Case. Oh, hey, slow down here, eh? I already got two hairy cats. Yeah, Rudy, yeah, 28, yeah, you guys are still, we're all young, man. Age ain't nothing but a number, really. Guys, age is mind over matter. If you don't mind, it don't matter. Literally just improve 1% better every single day. That's literally all that matters. Age is literally nothing. Because I used to always trip like, oh, I'm 25, I don't have a house or something. I'm like, dude, who gives a shit? Like, really? Just get 1% better every day. That's all that matters. What's up, Perp? No trades yet today. We're just being a little patient right here. Thanks for tuning in, Perp. Nice. Yeah, you guys all had your kids at 26, huh? Yeah, guys, if you got hair and you're still trading, hey, you can keep on rolling. Hey, it don't matter. Nah, Rudy, you're 28, man. No, you're not. The time just started is what happened. Hey, glad you're learning, John. Yeah, that's why I like these live streams. We can chat, get a community, learn, get better every day. What's up, Meeks? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Hey, John, you've been trading for as long as I've been alive, pretty much. That's crazy. Nice, John. That's experience right there. M5, yeah, I think it'll be a cool experience. But when the time is ready, yeah. Like, I want to be a dad. I want to have, like, maybe, like, at least 2 kids. But, like, right now, Casinator's got to find Casinator right now. We're on that journey. There you go, perp. Time to enjoy and relax. And then you're like, say less. Yeah, Meeks, yeah. People in my high school, like, a few of them already got married, and I'm like, what the fuck? I already got, like, my best friend, he got married 2 years ago when he was 24, and I'm like, shit, man, what the heck? Married already. Damn, John, you're an OG then. You're a pit trader? Shit. Wow. Good shit, John. Yeah, M5, yeah. You're like, you see this, kid? This is a candlestick. Price goes up. We're only trading NQ. We're going to use these things called prop firms, okay? Lower the risk. Hey, what are you doing over there? Yeah, we got a lot of guys in their 20s and 30s in here. There you go, Meeks. Yeah, that's it. One day at a time, stacking bread. Mini case. I think it'd be pretty cool to have like a mini Casey running around. Hey, like I'm on the live streams. I'm like cradling the baby. All right, we're gonna go long right here. We got like Lee's like cradling right here. Gabriel, you're 20. Ryder's 21. Shit. Yeah, we got a lot of mixed ages in here. I'm like right in the middle, 26. Yeah, internet, you try to get another dog or something. Convince her to that. That's right, Tevin. That's why I'm taking it slow. There's no reason to force anything. Same thing like trading. We don't need to go crazy here and just try and get a payout. We're taking it slow, nice and steady. Evan, damn. Damn, we got some people trading back in the pit. Shit. That's some like OG shit. Rudy, right now I'm just waiting to see how price reacts. Right now we're just chopping around in this bottom range. Maybe look for a bounce here. Maybe. I want to see how price reacts. And then we can maybe look for an entry. But right now we're kind of just chilling. It's just choppy right here in the middle. Price is coming down here, so we'll see. Ani, yeah. Yeah. All right, we're gonna teach him the casinator strat. All right, we're gonna look for a breakout down here. The kid's like going crazy. 28 Trader Bob, nice. Yeah. Pine Tree, nice, man. That's good. You're still trading. Ani, damn. That's good you're starting young, though. Have a good stream. Good weekend, Ryder. Appreciate you as always. Thank you. All right, we're breaking down here now. We're finally breaking out of this range. We like to see that. We're just kind of chopping around right a bit. Formed a lower bottom range here. Wasn't coming back up to these highs, so we'll see how price reacts. See, that's cool. Cool thing about trading, you can start at any age. Literally anything in life, you can start anytime. It's mind over matter, guys. If you don't mind, your age don't matter. Dojon, I pretty much taught myself. When I first got into options, I was like, my reseller friends were like joining these options Discord groups. You know, they're like doing call outs, and I was like, I saw these guys posting hella big gains, and you know that trick. I was like, oh shit, these guys are making money. And then my reseller buddy, who I bought and sold shoes to, we were like always doing deals. He was showing me like, dude, I just made like 2 racks today, and I'm like, how? He's like, I'm literally just listening to this dude. I follow his exact plays, and I'm like, shit, I want to get into that. Man, I fucking joined the group. I ended up losing like $5 grand. I was like, fuck this. And then I ended up doing it myself and learning it myself. And the one day that got me really into trading was when I made like $1,200 or something. It was like around over 1,000 in like 5 minutes. And I was like, holy shit, I just made $1,200 in 5 minutes on my own. And then I got really more into it. I was like, imagine the possibilities here, right? $1,200 in 5 minutes. All right, that's a big sell right here, big candle. Like to see that. Maybe I'll look for a short entry instead of I'm not looking for a long anymore right here. Breaking this bottom area. Yeah, I joined one of those freaking Discord groups where you pay like $60 a month. You listen to the calls. The guy was always late. He never showed up really. He did have a few good winning plays, but I ended up losing more than I won, obviously. And then I started learning on my own, doing research on YouTube about options. I had some big days with options, honestly. Like, big days. On my own. And then I blew it all. I lost all the gains and more. And I'm like, near the end, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, I literally looked at myself like, Casey, this is not sustainable. Like, we need to figure out a long-term solution for this. And my brother was trading FTMO at the time, Forex, before they banned it in the US. He was trading Forex. He was like, oh, you should look into propfirms. Like, propfirms. I'm like, that's just a scam, whatever. And then I started doing research about prop firms, and I'm like, I don't understand the pips and anything with forex. And I found out with futures, it's kind of like more like real trading. Then I literally looked up like future prop firms, and fucking Topstep popped up. I was like, hey, Topstep popped up. I was like, $150. Well, that sounds not bad. So I was like, all right, I can risk $150. And then here I am now. And then, man, when I got that first payout, I was constantly checking my emails, my phone. I was like, is this a scam? And I was like really like hesitant and scared. But as soon as that $7,000 hit my Wise account, man, oh man, I was like, this shit is fucking real. I was like, oh man, I started buying more accounts, copy trading. I was like, dude, imagine if I had this on 3 accounts. That's a 21 grand right there. And then here we are, guys. 2 years later. I was like, I am done with options. I'm going all in future prop firm shit. Yeah, I like futures so much better. Yeah, a lot of people got into that AMC and GME hype. A lot of people made a lot of money, and a lot of people lost a lot of money with that. Crazy, but that's how a lot of people got in with the options. Yeah, once that first payout hits in your bank, you're like, oh man. It's like that guy like dancing with the moonlight. He's like ooh, that meme. I forgot what it's called. Dancing meme. Oh man. Yeah, when that first payout hits, oh man, what a feeling. All that hard work, all that time. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, when the light hit. Yeah, yeah, that's a good song. Hey, when the TP hits, yeah. All right, we're kind of breaking down here. I want to see how it retests this top little bottom area right here, the 760 area maybe. See a retest. Maybe. Yeah, duh. Yeah, you can make a lot with one mini. Wow. Wow. That was a big sell right there. Yeah, that was a big dump right here. We broke this bottom range right here, this top range. Looks like we're falling back short at the moment. Yeah, guys, one micro, I mean, that's literally like a salary job. Like 20 bucks for 10 points. You know, some people make like, yeah, 20, 30 an hour. I mean, one micro, guys. 10 points is nothing on NQ.
Order filled.
I'm gonna jump in a short right here. Gonna look for a pullback entry right here, and then kind of catch this momentum back down here. Don't like that. See another drop right here. Honestly, guys, I did kind of FOMO in. I'm not gonna lie, I did kind of FOMO in. Just waited for a pullback and then entered. Should have waited for a better entry, if I'm being honest. But we could still see it fall short. And this is a nice dump right here. This will be a nice move to the downside. That's a nice 50 points right here. Yeah, guys, we're on micros now. 5 micros. We switched down to micros. Gotta size down. Gotta keep these accounts alive. I would like to see a tap here and then probably break it, and then that's another nice gap down. And if we come back to here and we break this, guys, this is a big gap right here. Big gap. Alright, we're gonna do 5 minutes, 2 seconds. See where it wants to go. Dump it. Dump it. Right on, John. Could be a little risky, guys. Don't. There's not a signal service. Don't be copying my trades. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I win, I lose. It's trading. Yeah, just entertainment, guys. Yeah, looking for another fall right here. That's what I want to see, ideally. If we break this, we can get another nice gap down here. Alright, 10 points, nice. I want to see how it reacts here. I do not want to see a bounce here. I want to see a nice clean break. 5 minute close, nice lower like that. Alright, let's see a break right here. Let's see a break. Nice break, nice break. That's what we want to see. We're gonna move our stop loss down more. Liking this push. Now we can see a gap down to here. This 670 area, 673, 675. Bro, I gotta piss so bad. Guys, do you hate it when you're in a trade and you gotta piss, man? Oh, man. Alright, we can see another nice gap down here. And if we break this 675, look at that huge gap to the downside, guys. We're up 20 points. But we gotta be cautious of a pullback.
Order filled.
I'm going to trim one right there because, like I said, it could retrace. And I want to log in some gains. Guys, that's the nice thing about micros is you could trim. I really like that. So that's the nice thing. We're going to have our stop loss at break even. So now this is a risk-free trade, guys. We locked in one micro. And we have our stop loss at break even. So risk-free. Really like this push right here. If we break this, like I said, 675... that's a big move right there. Yeah, what up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Like always, if you guys like this trade, make sure to like and subscribe. Come on, Monday through Friday. All right, nice. 30 points. Like I said, this is right here. I want to see a nice break right here. I really like this candle right here. Coming back up here. Don't like that. Don't like that. Come on, NQ, dump it. Dump that shit. Guys, this is a big, if we break this, that's a big move. Streams start at 9 a.m. PST, guys, Monday through Friday. Hey, guys, I'm focusing on this trade. I'll get to chat in a minute. Gotta focus on the trades. Focus. Gotta focus. Alright, nice push. Very nice push. Really like that. New 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Order filled.
I'm gonna do another trim right here because it's kind of hesitating, but yeah, guys, this is a nice trade. At our peak, we're up like 40 points. Stop losses in 10 points in profit. Nice. We locked in 2 micros already. But if we we got a new 5 minute in 5 seconds. I want to see that momentum break down to the downside right here. Do not want to see that. That's not a good. We'll see. Alright, it's gotta fall back down now. Like right now. Dump it, NQ. Dump it. Oh. Bro, do you guys see that? It literally tapped my stop. Oh my gosh. Dump it, dump it. Dump it, NQ, just drop, drop. Don't do it, drop. Come on. Oh.
Stop filled.
That trade was meh. I did kind of, I'll be honest, guys, I kind of FOMO'd in. I was waiting for a pullback. I should have waited for a better entry. Yeah, I could have played that better. At our peak, we're up 40 points, but we only locked in 16. Not the best play, honestly, but I could have trimmed it better, if I'm being honest. I did FOMO in. So, I don't know. It was okay. Yeah, I could have played it better, locked in more gains. No, don't tell me it's dumping now. What up, everyone? What up, what up, what up? Yeah, guys, like, I like that break right here. I really like that. And then it could come down here. If it breaks this 676 area, that's a huge gap down. That's a big gap. It's like over 100 points. So that's why I like that short. Yeah. That could have definitely played that a little better. But it's okay. I mean, we're up 16 points. I mean, it's better than a loss. Because guys, it came really close to my stop. And then it rejected it. So that's a big swing. That's like a $300 swing per account. So think about it. That adds up. That's like $1,200. So I'll take it. Alright, we got a new hour candle in 2 minutes. Hey guys, we're getting one step closer and closer to the buffer again. One step. Yeah, guys, yeah, I think it was okay. Yeah. Yeah, that trade was alright. That's why I trimmed right here, because it was like hesitating right here. Yeah, it's okay, yeah. Alright, we got a new hour in a minute 30. I've been trading since 2023, Jackson. Ollie, just trade to New York if you can. I like New York session. But that's just me. It works for you. Yeah, guys, I cannot trade on my phone. I cannot trade. I used to do that with options on Robinhood. Oh, man, those were nightmares. Oh, no, this is exactly what I wanted to see. So we were right. Just got stopped out on the pullback right here. But if it breaks this, like I said, that's another big gap down right here. That's a big move. Well, I'll see where this hour candle closes. Boom, boom. Garv, Garv, Garv. What up, Garv? The cats say hi, man. Ollie. Alright, 5 seconds. We'll see where it wants to go. Nice, Garv. Very nice. Alright, this is a new hour candle. Well, here's the thing, guys. We're up 160 bucks. This could be our stop loss on our next trade, so we could use the profits on the next trade, if you think about it. So that would be nice. Sergio, I trade and then also YouTube, but honestly, it's a lot less stressful when you have another source of income coming in. Like, honestly, that's why it's like there's nothing wrong with working. Like, it's smart to have a job and trade because you have money coming in, right? And then you're not stressing trying to pay the bills strictly on trading, which is, you know, it's already harder in of itself, and then you got more pressure. So I'd recommend, yeah, have a job or another source of income coming in. It really helps. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. It didn't come down here, and it kind of formed a higher right here, and it looks like it might do a reversal, which we got to be worried about, a little cautious about. But at the moment, the trend is still downward at the moment. So we just got to be careful about this area. Like I said, if it does break it, that's a nice gap down, but we got to be cautious of a reversal right here and just comes back to the highs. Yeah, I'm just being honest. Yeah, it's trading's already hard, and then if it's strictly your only income, it's going to be more hard. So it's very nice to have another source of income coming in. Yeah, it is harder to get a job nowadays. I realize that. That's why everyone's trying to, you know, like do like trading and some other stuff, like online businesses. Hey, guys, should we just start drop shipping? Should we start drop shipping, guys? I just made $1 million today drop shipping from my online store, doing nothing, driving my brand new Lamborghini here. John. Yeah, guys, I have an OnlyFans. Link in description if you guys want to subscribe. Check it out below. Link in my bio. Got an OnlyFans. John. John, dude, yeah. All natural orange beard. Yeah, this is, look, coming right back up here. Pretty, big right here. Yeah. Hey, Hey guys, internet, how many of you guys think you guys checked my bio right there, huh? We got you. We got you guys again, huh? They're like, Casey has an OnlyFans? What? Let me see. Uh, hey, we got you guys. Caught on 4K. We got you. Yeah, Jasmine's already subscribed to mine. Thank you very much. Sergio, honestly, a lot of them are fake, man. They're just kids that literally rent out a Lamborghini for a week, make a crap ton of content for it, record a bunch of videos, rent like a penthouse for a week as well. It's all an illusion. Don't fall for it. That's why I'm making those Chad videos, because I'm literally making fun of them. Yeah, hey, they're learning the hard way, internet. Hey, how many times you gotta check my bio about that, huh? Yeah, I like that about Lucid. It's not a monthly subscription. It's a one-time purchase. It's so nice. Because you're not forced to pass. I really like that. All right, we got a new 5-minute right here. Yeah, right now we're kind of in a weird area. So we're going to stay cash until we find another entry. Yeah, future prop firms are nice. We might make it, yeah, right. Bam. But I'm just worried about this formation right here. It didn't come back down to this area, this 676. Formed a higher low right here. Staircasing up. So we're going to be a little cautious here. That's why we're staying cash. Get some water. I'll be right back. All right. You guys are in longs? Yeah, that's what I'm worried about is like making a reversal right here. Look at this staircasing up. So that's why I'm being cautious. We'll make a pull. We'll make a pull. Everyone likes the pulls. Where are we going? I don't think we're chopping around anymore, so see where our price wants to go. Alright, where are we going, everyone? That's an aggressive buyer stepping in right here. Damn, 88% up. Shit. Damn. Low key, yeah. That's what I was worried about. See, look at this reversal right here. Let's go, John. Come on, John. Alright, we got a new 5-minute in a minute. Muhammad, we had a short bias right here, but the overall trend in the morning was up. That's why we were kind of looking for a long right here, but then it broke out of this bottom range, and that's why we took a short. But like I said, I was worried about this area right here that it could bounce. But if it did break, that would have been a nice move. But right now, it looks like it's kind of flipping a reversal right here. All right, we got to do a 5-minute, 15 seconds. Let's go, champions. Yeah, we need a 50-point play for y'all Friday. Let's go, champs. Come on, let's go. Hype it up. All right, new 5-minute here. Wow. Yeah, we got buyers stepping in here. Yeah, right now it's testing this bottom. See, if we're in a range right here, it's testing the bottom part right there. See that? Right here. But if we break out above it, that's another nice gap up to here. The 25,800s. We got 70% saying going up. Yeah, it looks like for now. If we see a break of this, that's what I'm saying. And guys, we came 150 points from hitting that 26,000 area. That's not that much on NQ. That could happen pretty quick. Yeah, Evan, yep. There's a lot of fight right here. So we're just going to be patient. Nvidia did a huge rip up, 2%. And now it's kind of like consolidating in the top area right here. No, I'm gonna pass. SPY is kind of in a bottom area at the moment. ES, excuse me. For me, if we want to see a continuation long, I would like to see like a nice break right here. This 760, like close above it. Close like in this 770 area right here. But we gotta be cautious. Yeah, Meeks. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, Twine. I only trade Nasdaq, but I'll sometimes look at Nvidia and SPY. Yes. All right, new 5 minute and 40 seconds. Yeah, there was a lot of fight right here, and it rejected right off this bottom right here. So yeah, what I don't want to see is like it pull back, tap it, and then just reject and rip on hard again, and it just flips again. So we'll see. It is still forming this staircasing pattern right here. So that's why I'm staying cash right now. I want to see what it does. John, I traded them actually the same on the fundeds. Our new 5 minute right here. Yeah, I traded them the same. Just one mini. Same thing, risking 10, 15 points.
Order filled.
I'm going to try a long right here. If it does break, I'm going to have... That's why I want to have like a tighter stop. See like a pullback, then rip up, and then if it breaks this 760 area, that's a nice long right there. So we're risking our profits from the first trade, guys. That's what we're doing. Trying to catch this 5 minute momentum up. Yeah, we gotta get it when we're in a nice play. Come on, champions. Let's go. Only when we're in a good play, guys. Yeah. We gotta get that music going. Hype everyone up. Yeah, John, I used minis on these fundeds at the beginning. I was trading one mini. And then I went on a 3-day losing streak, so that's why I switched down to micros. And I realized with these fundeds, I want to keep them for a while longer. So that's why I switched down to 5 micros. So yesterday and Wednesday and today we're switched to micros. I'll probably stick with 5 micros for now, honestly. We can still catch you can make good money with 5 micros, like really. No, John. Please don't be in liquidity, please. Yeah, this is why I want to see a nice rip up. For full confirmation on a flip, we need to see this break of the 750, the 760 right here. If we close above that, I would really like that for a long still. Hold that. But I want to see how price reacts. Hey, we'll play the sparring music, and then when the TP hits, turn the lights on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. People are sleeping on micros. I was kind of sleeping on them, honestly. Like, you can, because I like them because you can trim. Like, with one mini, I have to get in and out. So, like, I can't trim, which kind of sucks. But on the micros, we can trim. And I actually looked on the TakeProfitTrader. It's actually the same commission. It's like exactly the same. It's 50 cents per micro round trip, and then $5 per round trip for one mini. So they're equal. So it's like we could take advantage of that actually. If we want to trade one mini, we'll just trade like 10 micros with the TakeProfitTrader. Because I know some firms the commissions are higher with the micros, but if you're trimming with your strategy a lot, I think it's pretty solid. Alright, we're getting a nice push right here. We're going to lower our stop a little bit. Risking only 8 points now. Alright, I need to see a break right here. I don't want to see it reject here again off that 760 and just come back down. That would be bad. We would want to see a nice, clean breakout to the upside. Meek, we need to get a bigger play. If we get a bigger play, All right. Let's see it, guys. Guys, let's see it. 20 points. Let's see this break. We need to see a break right now. No, don't reject. Break it. Champions, can we break this? Champions, rise my champion. Champions, are you with me? Are you seeing this, champions? Let's see this break. Let's go, guys. Come on, hype it up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. We gotta get this play. If we break this, we can see a nice move up to this 800 right here. Come on, champions. Let's go. We can move our stop loss to break even. Let's go. Come on, guys. Is that all you got? Come on. Let's hype it up. Let's go. No, take it up. Alright, we gotta do 5 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Rip log, rip log. Oh no, that's horrible. No.
Stop filled.
Champions. Oh my god, champions. We got too excited there. We got too excited there, guys. Oh. We got out at break even. Fuck. We should have maybe trimmed right there. That's what I was worried about, a rejection right there. That's exactly what we did. Oh no, don't tell me it's doing it again. Should have trimmed right there. Yeah. It's okay, champions. We lost the battle, but not the war. Hey, that was a risk-free trade. We didn't lose anything on that trade. Even though we were up 200 bucks, we could have locked in some gains, but hey, risk-free. We're still even from that last trade. Champions, we lost that one. Hey, we lost the battle, but not the war. We'll get them next time. It's okay, champions. We gotta regroup, refocus. Yeah. Guys, yeah, I think for the champions one, we gotta do it on bigger plays. Yeah. But guys, we did that on Wednesday, dude. It was freaking hyped. That was crazy. Oh my god, dude, don't tell me. Oh my gosh. No, break even, stop, and then it rips. Oh man. But hey guys, it was risk free. Oh man. Alright, it keeps rejecting off here, guys. Do you see this? This is a big level. That's why I was wanting like a nice, because if we broke that, that's a nice gap. But we just keep rejecting off this 760 area. And that's why I'm cautious. That's why I was cautious about. Champions, rise my champions. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we'll do it when Trump's speaking. Nice, Garv. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, it's like that. This is Sparta cliff. We all just fall off the cliff. No, champions, no. Alright, it looks like it's just bouncing right off here, rejecting right off here. But guys, these are actually decent moves for our Friday. If you guys didn't watch our last Fridays, they were really slow, choppy. And we got some decent movements for our Friday, honestly. Stop filled. You're like, fuck. Back. Come on, John. Hold the line, John. John's holding for us. Yeah, Javier, we got a beard OnlyFans. Link in my bio. It's like me holding like a top step certificate. It's like a OnlyFans link. And it says, keep jabbing, guys. Come on, keep jabbing. Hey, you guys watched the UFC fights? We got big fights tomorrow. First main card of the UFC on Paramount Plus. Not sponsored, but I could have made a nice ad right there. But yeah, we got Justin Gaethje fighting Pimblett, Patty. And then we got Kayla Harrison versus Amanda Nunes. That's going to be a banger fight. Dude, they're both scary. But, dude, Kayla Harrison, literally scary. She literally, no offense, but, dude, her body looked like a dude. I'm like, holy shit, I would not fuck with her, man. She is fucking scary. Hey, internet, you come like rushing in. Hey, you're like, oh shit, come on, champions. Yeah, Digital Mix, we're all getting hyped up like almost 30 points. Let's go. Bing, just come on, rejected, and it stops us out. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's canceled? No way. I was looking forward for that fight. That was really like one of the fights. Alright, we gotta see a break right here. Or is it gonna reject? This is a new 5-minute. Damn, that would have been a great fight. I didn't know it canceled. Come on, John. Hold the line, John. Diamond hand that shit. John, are we gonna hit? Dude, it's literally rejecting off here like 4 times already. Damn, that's a big level, man. Yeah, the 760, 765 right here. But it's really trying to break it. I can see it. It's really trying. Come on, John. Oh, Javier. Oh, yeah. Are they really fighting M5? That's fucking crazy. Dude, it's literally rejecting off here again. No way. Alright, we gotta see a break. Come on. No way. That's crazy. I didn't even know they were fighting. Yeah. Yeah, Mad Cow. When we were first starting out, we couldn't control our emotions. Man, I would go on tilt so bad. I was like, what the fuck? This is so stupid. What are you doing? Dude, I realized trading, especially now, my emotions got a lot more controllable, which is pretty nice. I like it. It took a long time, guys, but it got better. Guys, are we going to break this? No way. Guys, should we short this shit? It's too risky, though. Thank you, Javier. Yeah, I'm very glad I started the live streams, honestly. It's pretty fun. I like talking to you guys. Guys, it's rejecting off here again, bro. John. John, you've been in this trade for like, what, over 20 minutes now? Oh, man. Guys, it's fucking rejecting here again. Alright, okay, usually the 10:30 candle, guys, is usually a little more volatile recently. So we got that in 45 seconds, so I want to see where that closes. Yeah, Meeks, yeah. You just gotta hold that shit, literally. Yeah, we have to see where this 30-minute candle closes, the 10:30. Because usually it moves a little quick. But guys, it literally rejected off here like 4 times already, 5 times. That's literally what I was talking about. Dude, alright, let's see, 5 seconds. Alright. No way. Dude, it's fighting so hard right here. There wasn't a lot of movement on that candle, but... Alright, we're gonna push up right here. Let's see if it actually wants to break this time. For the 6th try. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It literally keeps rejecting off here. I mean, we can risk like 10 points. But I don't like how it's forming a higher candles up. You guys see this? I feel like it's just gonna... Once it does break, it's gonna go hard. If it does, wants to keep continuing long. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna be patient. Dude, we got like half the people saying it's gonna fall and half say it's gonna break up. Hey, we gotta play the suspenseful music. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You're like glued to the chart. Yeah, yeah. You really need a lot of patience right here. John. 30 minutes. John, low-key, I might just get out if I'm being honest. If you've been in that trade for 30 minutes and it rejected off your 6 times, that's just my opinion, man. But you can do as you want. "30 minutes. Yeah, guys, we literally have half the chat saying long, half saying it's gonna go back short. John, $900. That's a good trade, man. This is literally just a straight fight right here. They're just freaking duking it out right here. The Bears and the Bulls are just freaking fighting right here. They're like, no. No way. Guys, low-key might short this stuff, bro. This is the 6th time it's rejected off here. 6 times! Look at that. Wow. Yeah, John. Yeah, there you go. Honestly, yeah, that's smart. Trim that. Oh my gosh, it's coming back down, guys. Wow. 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 Hey, John, good thing you trimmed, bro. Look at that. Shorts are paying. Wow. Wow, look at that candle. Right on, internet. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Have a good weekend. See, John, that was very smart. You trimmed right there. Yeah, guys, it rejected off there 6 times. We were in a long, and it stopped us out at break even. All right, we got a new 5 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, that was a dump right there. That was a big dump. That was like a 30-point drop. Hey, John, you're up 800. Call it. That's a great day. And a Friday. Wow, shorts paid. All right, new 5 minute here. Dude, I feel like it's just going to bounce up and then come back to here again. Now it's like forming like a 30-point range. No way. Bobby, yeah, you called that short, man. Yeah, only risked like 10 points. 10 points right there. That was a great short. Good job, John. Lock it in, man. Yeah, when we're playing these little ranges now, yeah, it's pretty much like 90% of your position out or like a full take profit. Just get in, get out. Lock in 30 points. Yeah, because this is a big level, guys. This 760, 765 area. This is a big area right here. Formed a top range on that bottom right there, and now it's like really fighting. It's testing it right here. And it rejected 6 times, guys. Yeah, we might. Bro, we need a champions play to end the Friday. Champions. But if we don't see it, we're not going to force it. But that'll be a nice way to end Friday. Champions. Come on. Hey, John, I had chicken adobo with garlic rice yesterday. With some languinisa and some Sunnyside eggs. It's freaking fire. Shout out to Mom. Yeah, man, get some adobo tonight. Guys, chicken adobo with garlic rice. Fire. Yeah, it's really good. Because you get the egg yolk and you can mix it with the garlic rice. It's fire. Yeah, longanisa. Yeah, Meeks, yep. Our inner Filipinos are coming out right now. Our Pinoy senses are tingling. Oh, man, I haven't had linguinisa in a very long time, and I had it yesterday. Tastes so good. Guys, we finally hit 7,500 subscribers, so I appreciate y'all for watching, as always. We're at 7,500 subscribers, guys. Thank y'all. Guys, low-key might short right here. I want to see how it reacts again, because I know it's going to break out of either direction. It formed a range right here, but if we do, we're going to have a tighter stop, but it really rejected off there 6 times, so I want to see how price reacts. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty nice, huh, John? Hey, the Johns are both eating tonight, yeah. Hey, good job, Meeks. Oh, man. No, Cone Killer, my mom made it. Nice, John. How's Manila? Alright, guys, we are testing this level again. We have a new 5 minute in 35 seconds. I haven't, Javier, I haven't. Holy crap. Dude, Microsoft is up today. 4%. That's pretty big for Microsoft. Damn. BGC? Yeah, dude, I haven't been to the Philippines in since I was 10 years old. It's been 16 years. It's been a long time. Alright, new 5 minute right here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try a short right here. I'm gonna try a short. We're risking our profits from the first trade. You literally rejected off here 6-7 times. Fall back here. That's a nice 1 to 2 RR right there. So we're just playing off this small range right here. But it's a 30-point range, and those 30-point plays, I mean, guys, 30 points on 5 micros is $300. That adds up pretty quick. All right, nice, very nice. That's a nice push right there. We're gonna move our stop down right there. We're up at our peak. We're up 15 points. This will be a nice TP. Smack the TP. Whoa, 525 micros. No, thank you. Guys, this is a nice play. It's a nice play. John, I'm getting ready to play that music. When the TP hits. Stop loss to break even. So now this is a risk-free trade, but I'd rather just see it hit my TP and we call it. No. Drop. Just drop.
Order filled.
Small win. Very small win. 9 points. Very interesting. Guys, we can just play out this little range right here. We're only risking small amount. We're risking our profits from that first trade. So, if we have a 10-point stop, now that makes up for our last winner right there, see? So we're risking our profits. We're being smart about it. Don't want to go crazy. Yeah, 10 micros? No way. I should have held. Yeah, Microsoft. Yeah, guys, the freaking AI is freaking crazy. Yeah, Microsoft 4%. Nvidia's up 1.7 right now. It was up almost 2% earlier. M5. Yeah, and then you also gotta play the Call of Duty music. You gotta play the Call of Duty music. Modern Warfare. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. NQ starts going crazy. Guys, we could low-key just play out this range. This is forming a nice 30-point range. I haven't heard of that one, Prop Trader. Dude, people love earnings.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm going to take a long right here, guys. We're just playing up this little range right here. Only going to risk 10 points. Literally our profits from the last play. If it breaks, I obviously do not want to be in that trade because that's a big rip down. But, right here, that's a nice play right there. Yeah, that's a nice 30 points. We hit it. Nice 1 to 3. We're just playing off this range, guys. Small risk, cheap trade. We're only risking 10 points. Our profits from the last play. We're just playing ping pong right here. Because there is a lot of fight at this top range, and it keeps bouncing right here. And, guys, it's small risk. Small risk. Nice, guys. Hey, the Johns are eating tonight. Let's go. Our new 5-minute here. 10:45. No.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. But look, guys, we're only risking the profits from our last trade. So we still got profit from that last trade. It eventually was going to break out, so that's why we really want like a very small stop. 10, 15 points max. And yeah, we're just playing off this range. But now it looks like it's coming back down to the downside. We'll see. But it rejected off there like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times it rejected off there. So that was a nice short entry. Yeah, we're turning off the lights off, guys. John Hamm. John Hamm. Yeah, guys, we were risking the profits from that last play. So look, we're still up on the day. Cheap trade. But if it worked out, that would have been a nice 1 to 3. 10 points to make 30. Or what I don't want to... It might just be like a wick and then play ping pong and come back here. Or it might just be like an actual like downside reversal. But we're going to stay patient right now. Yeah, because guys, if I end the day break even, like let's say I take another trade, 10, 15 points risk. If I lose that, I mean, we ended the day break even. But we're still up on the week. So, I mean, that's still a win. Because it's a Friday as well. But if we catch a nice winner risking the profits from our first 2 trades, we can get closer to that buffer. You know what I'm saying? No way. Guys, it's coming right back up. Deftones? It sounds familiar. Sounds pretty familiar. I feel like if I listened to their songs, I would probably know it. It sounds pretty familiar. I don't know songs and artists by their names, really. I just know by, like, the sound. I'm like, oh, yeah, I know this song. What's up, Disciplined Futures Trader? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, I fuck with rock. Guys, I listen to any music, really, honestly. Right now, I go on phases with my music. Right now, I'm on, like, a chill vibe, kind of, you know, chill, like kind of old school, like classic songs. Rosemary. Nice. Probably check it out. Rosemary. Radiohead sounds familiar too. Monophonics. Hey, you guys ever does anyone listen to Sleep Token? Yeah, we got some rock bands in here. Yeah, I fuck with rock. Monophonics. Guys, I'm gonna listen to these songs later. I like listening to new songs. G-Lo, yeah, pretty much only to 5 minute. Oh yeah, I fuck with jazz. Dude, I like the saxophone on the jazz music. Fucking vibing. Yeah, guys, we'll look for one more trade if we see it. If we see a clean setup, we'll take it. If not, I mean, we can end the day up 150 bucks. Yeah, there's a new 5 minute. G-Lo, thank you for using the codes. It means a lot. Thank you. I just do breakouts, break and retest, bounce plays, and going with the trend, all with price action and levels. Just simple stuff. Freaking cat here. Lisa, you go right here. Chart settings. And where is it? I think it should be in the current position. There should be one that says like whoops. Where is it? It's somewhere in here, and then you can have it. It says oh, right here. You go to your settings, go to price levels, and then go to show P&L on price line, and it's right there. The comment is coming. Yep. Yeah, guys. If we don't see another trade, I mean, yeah, we're up on the week. The fact that I went on a 3-day losing streak and then we switched down to micros and we made it back most of it. If we end it like this, I'm pretty happy. But if we see another setup, and we end the day break even, I'm not gonna be tripping. It'll be okay. If it's a good trade. Yeah, new 4-hour candle, guys, in 8 minutes. Yeah, Gilo, it's pretty simple stuff. It's just simple strategies. Dude, some dude commented on my video the other day. He's like, bro, you don't know how to trade. Learn ICT or something. Gosh. What the... You guys see what I deal with here? Learn ICT or something. Come on. Get out of here. Yeah, Ani, guys, we're getting consistently like 100, 120 people watching at a time, which is really good. So, that's a lot of people. So, thank you guys for watching consistently. Yeah, we're getting like 110 consistently. Yeah, he literally saw my trade and he goes, bro, you don't know how to trade. Literally learn ICT, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? You guys see what I deal with the ICT people? Yeah, I can't trade. That's literally, yeah, I can't trade. Like, I don't hate on it. I'm not trying to start shit, but like, there's really good traders, like JCap, for example, like amazing top performing traders that excel with ICT, right? So I'm not hating on it, but it's like the people that are like, they talk shit on me. They're like, oh, you don't know how to trade. Like, dude, literally learn ICT, bro. It's like, dude, have you even got a payout first, buddy? Like, let's be realistic. Have you even got a payout? Come on. Like, you don't have to be like saying stuff like that. It's like a rage baiter. No problem, Lisa. Exactly, Ani. Yeah, we all have our own way of trading. What works for us might not work for you. What works for them might not work for us. That's the beautiful thing about trading. Like this, I only trade on the 5-minute, really. I mark out my levels like this. People are confused by it, but it works for me, and this is what I found, and it works for me. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Yeah, it's like, guys, come on. Hey, really? Come on. You guys talking shit on my stream? Come on. We got some ICT gurus in here. It's okay if you trade ICT, guys, but it's when you just like start talking shit and being like, "Oh, your strategies don't work. Why don't you trade ICT or something?" Then it's like, "Okay, buddy. Hey, you're not that guy, pal. Trust me. Hey, you're not that guy. Come on." Yeah, I think he was rage baiting. That's why I didn't even respond. I was like, I get a few comments about like that. Like, dude, why don't you learn ICT or something? I literally get that a few times like a week. I'm like, I just ignore it. I'm just like, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, he's probably trying to sell the moon strat with correlating with the ICT concepts. Oh, man. Yeah, hey, you're not that guy, pal. Trust me. Hey, you're not that guy. Quit the tough guy act. Come on. ICT, really? Huh? You talking shit on ICT on me? Come on, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I think proper like risk management, trade management, and emotional control is a lot far better than like a strategy. Like you can do any strategy in the world, the best strategy in the world, but if you don't have proper risk management, proper trade management, and you can't control your emotions, you're gonna lose. Straight up. Like, honestly. That's why I literally keep it simple and it works for me. Yeah. Yeah, we got some shoes, Ani. I sold a lot of mine. Because I didn't even wear them. And I'm like, why do I even... It's just money sitting. And I'm like... So I only keep the few that I really wear. Because I realized I only wear the same shoes like over and over. And the rest were just sitting. And I'm like, I'd rather just sell it and reinvest it or something. Yeah, and 5, you're like, hey, I'm good, man. Hey, no thank you. No gracias. Yeah, you know, a lot of the really good traders, they use a lot of volume profile. Order flow, book map. Because it's kind of true what they're saying, and it's like that's why I kind of want to learn it, because I feel like it would do really well with my strategy, honestly. Because it's literally, guys, the trading is literally like an auction. And the order flow, it's showing you like the amount of buyers and sellers at the same time. So you can have like a better conviction. You might have it in your dashboard, or if you don't have it, just email Rise. Like, hey, how can I get my Rise form? I haven't got mine yet this year. I think last year I got it at the end of January, so I'll see when I get mine. Nice, John. Yeah, I hate taxes. Hey, you guys see the frog? This is not financial advice. He's like, it's time to commit tax evasion right now, and it's like a frog looking all angry and like like serious. He's like, time to commit tax fraud, and it's like a freaking frog. Let me find it. Ah. Yeah. It's like an evil looking frog. Yeah, guys, we got a new 4-hour and 1 hour and 2-minute 30 now. Oh my god, you guys can't even see it. Oh man. Yeah, the glare is really bad. But this is a good camera. This is a good webcam. Alright, I want to see where this new hour candle closes, because new hourly. I'm Dirty Dan. Pinhead Larry. Hey guys, we're gonna have like some like code names like Jim Bob Jones right over here. Hey, Jim Bob Jones over here trying to teach me ICT. Come on, hey, buddy, Jim Bob Jones. You're not that guy, buddy. Come on. Fucking Jim Bob Jones. Yeah, when we catch a big bass, like over 3 pounds, we call him Jim Bob Jones. And if it's like a little one, we just call him a little Jimmy. Alright, now we're just kind of consolidating right here. I want to see where this hour candle closes. This new 4 hour. Ani, yeah, man. We could look for a silver bullet correlating with a fair value gap. Looking to take the London low liquidity sweep right here into a SMT high. When the stars are so aligned, we could definitely look for an entry. All right, let's see this new candle. This is a 4 hour chart. Javier, just known with 2 for Jim Bob Jones. Yeah, you caught a little fish, little Jimmy. Yeah, we can maybe see a London sweep to the SMT high, forming a turtle soup right here. Turtle soup. I heard a trader. I was like, turtle soup. He's like, looking for a turtle soup here. And I'm like, turtle soup. What the fuck? Guys, we should start like giving like cool nicknames for our strategies. But it's like a simple ass strategy, like like a breakout. We'll call a Big Bob. We're gonna look for like a Big Bob right here. Yeah, chocolate. Yeah, we got a cup of ramen forming right here, you guys. You see this cup of ramen right here? Yeah, we can maybe see a cup of ramen with correlating with the tapatio sauce, and maybe some sriracha of fair value right here. That could be a nice push. Yeah, I'll look for a liquidity sweep. Turtle soup. Turtle soup. Hey guys, La Tortuga de Sopa. La Tortuga de Sopa. Guys, we got a Languiniza stop loss to the downside. I'm looking for a garlic rice fair value gap right here. Push up to the egg sunny side up pattern right here. Yeah. But like, how did he come up with that? Like, turtle soup. Out of all the names, turtle soup. How do you come up with that? It's an interesting name. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I heard a trader. I heard a turtle. I heard a guy who was like, yeah, I'm gonna take a turtle soup right here. And I'm like, what the? When I first heard it, I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? Yeah, we need special code names. Yeah, guys, the chicken is in the coop. Yeah, I repeat, the chicken is in the coop. Over. 10-4. Yeah, we got a chicken in the coop. The eagle has landed. I repeat, the eagle has landed. Over. No, turtle soup I think is an ICT strategy. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, it's actually like a legit thing for them. Turtle soup. Dude, it's literally some food popping up. Turtle soup trading. Turtle soup trading is a strategy focusing on false breakouts. Ice and adapted by ICT Inner Circle Trader core concepts. Oh man. Oh my gosh, guys, I kind of got faked out right here. I got stopped out, and then now it's coming right back up. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna test this 760 right here again for like the 10th time. Turtle soup. Yeah, guys, we actually did form a false breakout. That actually, guys, this was literally a turtle soup. Carbo Knight, you're right. It literally formed a turtle soup. Guys, it was a false breakout. False breakout to the downside, and it rejected and it came right back up. Guys, we just fucking caught a turtle soup. No way. No way. Yeah, imagine like I was calling this live. Alright, it looks like it's forming a turtle soup here. I'm gonna go long. Boom! 30 points. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna start trading the turtle soup, honestly. False breakout. No shit. False breakouts. Guys, yeah, I'm gonna sell it in my course. Guys, now on my new course, I'm gonna use this as an example. We formed a turtle soup bottom right here, false breakout, entry long, push up to the upside right here up that 760s. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, we're gonna put it in my course now. Yeah, I got a Discord link in my description. Hey, link in my bio. It's a free Discord. Guys, we're at like 1,060 members now on our Discord. We're growing, you guys. Yeah. Guys, when I'm looking for a turtle soup entry, I'm looking for a false wick right here. False wick, make a higher low, 5 minute, enter long. Boom. There's your trade. Alright, it's testing this area again for the 10th time. Honestly, if I take a trade and I get stopped out of my profits, I wouldn't be tripping, honestly. It's a nice risk to reward.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm going to risk my profits. A little risky. We're only going to risk, like, what, 13 points. So if we do get stopped out, we're basically break even on the day. But it rejected off here like 10 times. This could be like it forming a turtle soup right here. Reject off the high right here. Then hit the bottom. And then we can get a nice Languinisa sell stop right here. So that would be pretty nice, guys. That would be a great day to end a Friday. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I literally keep it so simple. It's just simple and then like risk management, guys, and that's literally it. No, it's breaking up. We need to see a rejection right here. But this will be my last trade, guys. We're risking the profits from our first trade. Yeah. Hey, so Casey, what do you trade? I just look for a turtle soup, honestly. Just straight up turtle soup. Yeah. Guys, simplicity is key. You don't need to be super, because when you get information overload, it just becomes overwhelming and you don't learn anything. It's just like so like confusing and stuff. Guys, we got a Casinator Giga Chad video coming tonight. It's 7:00 p.m. PST. It shows how I enter on the moon strategy. Right on, Ani. D-Bonnie, yeah. We gotta look for the turtle soup London sweep high. I'm like, what the heck? Dude, the cat's got the zoomies right now. But yeah, guys, the reason I'm taking a short right here, rejected off here like 10 times. This is a big level. And if we get stopped out, which we might get right here, it's okay. We're going to be break even on the day. The laughs were worth it. The laughs were worth it. Alright, guys. This could be a turtle soup. False breakout, come back down. False breakout, come back down. Let's go. Come on. Come on, turtle soup. Guys, if this comes back down in profit, I am loving turtle soup, guys. Be a false breakout. False breakout. Oh my gosh. False breakout, guys. We got a turtle soup formation right now. It was literally a false. We did a false breakout, turtle soup long. Now look, false breakout, turtle soup down to the downside. Guys, if this goes to full TP, I am gonna be freaking dancing like that guy, John Hamm. Yeah, they're like fucking pumas and stuff, albino pumas. Alright, new 5-minute here. Alright, we're going to look for a turtle soup fair value gap down to the downside right here. Take a SMT low, liquidity sweep. No way. Guys, turtle soup is forming right here. Turtle soup. I'm telling y'all. This is the new strat. This is the new... We found the new strat live in front of you guys. Turtle soup, let's go! False breakout. It's like, how did he come up with turtle soup? It's like, guys, just say false breakout. What's up with the code name? Alright, we're forming a turtle soup, fair value gap down to the Languinisa low. Looking to scoop some garlic rice at this bottom range. That'll be a nice 1 to 3 RR down to the downside. And if we bounce here again, make another sweep down, candle wick, we can look for another turtle soup entry. Boom, to the upside. Boom, we're fucking banking, y'all. We're fucking banking. Dude, turtle soup is forming, dude. Turtle soup is fucking forming. We found this shit. Champions. Let's go, champions. Turtle soup, let's go. Turtle soup, turtle soup. Turtle fucking soup. No shit. Oh yeah, come on, champions. Guys, like I said, I'm just gonna profits on my trade. I ain't tripping if we stop out. So we formed a nice turtle soup, fake wake out to the downside. Oh my god. No way, we got turtle soup, guys. That'll be a banger way to end a Friday. Come on, let's go. ICT, let's go. Come on. No, we gotta get this turtle soup going. Let's go, turtle soup. Dude, if this max TP, dude, we are just every night. Got the full ICT. Dude, it literally tapped my stop loss and came back then. Oh. Guys, if this fails, we are never trading Tradesyncer again. Whoa. Let's go. Turtle soup, false breakout, let's go. Down to the downside. Come on, NQ. False breakout, guys. Oh, that shit is funny, guys. Guys, that shit is funny. If we get close to the TP, I'll start smacking that song. Dude, the turtle soup is forming, everyone. It is forming. It's getting hot. It's getting warm. Oh, guys, these. Oh my gosh. Guys, we found a new best strategy. Champions. We are back, my champions. We are back. Let's go, champions. Let's go. Come on. Hey, you guys like these streams? Like and subscribe. Let's go. Come on, champions. Come on, let's go. Champions, turtle soup. Come on, we're eating tonight. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Guys, in my title for this video, it's gonna be turtle soup for the win. Hey, my new viewers are like, huh? Turtle soup? What the fuck is he talking about? Hey, we're cooking right now, turtle soup. Oh no. Let's fucking go. No, it's coming back up. Guys, should we lock in at 10 points or should we just let this turtle soup cook? Oh man, that's so funny. That's so funny. Come on, ICT, let's go. Turtle soup, come on. Hey, put turtles in the chat. Everyone, let's put turtles in the chat. Let's go. No, it's going back down. Turtle soup, don't fail me now. Oh man. Turtle soup. Yeah, turtles in the chat. Turtles in the chat. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Turtles in the chat. Come on, let's go. Cook it up. False breakout. Let's go. You guys, it's all live. This is all live. Oh, that's so funny. Oh man. No, guys, turtle soup is kind of just chilling right here. Come on, ICT. Turtle soup. Chat, you're cooking. Calm down. Oh, this shit is hilarious, guys. Man, that was breaking. That was breaking. Wow, guys. What a hype. What a hype. This shit is hilarious. Oh, man. Yeah, we're chilling at this like 5 to 10 point area. It's just marinating right now. Oh, man. Guys, we are cooking. Oh man, that's hilarious. Guys, it literally tapped our stop loss and then ripped on down. That was literally a prime example of what we just witnessed. And right here. We're witnessing history being made. Live. Guys, should I just close this? This shit is just...
Order filled.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. The turtle soup, we got a small win on it. Let's lock it in. The fact that it rejected right off my stop loss and then came down, that's like a 15-point swing. So that deters us being break even and up 200 bucks on the day. Wow, guys. Wow. Thank you guys for all watching. We just witnessed freaking turtle soup happen live in front of y'all. Dude, I was getting so hyped. We literally talking about turtle soup, literally false breakout to the downside, then ripped on high, Languinisa sunny side up, then dude, rejected right off my stop loss, false breakout, look, false breakout, and then ripped on down. I think we can use this strat going into next week, guys. Like, honestly. Yeah, we gotta let it marinate a little. Oh my gosh. That shit was funny. Guys, you guys all witness history live. Turtles in the chat. Turtles in the chat. Oh, man. Yeah, guys, this turtle soup worked out. Look, we literally almost got stopped out. False breakout. Ripped on down. Turtle soup. We just locked in $50 per account. Look at that. Oh, yeah, guys. If we paired a turtle soup... Oh, guys, I'm going to make the Giga Chat videos with the turtle soup now. I'm here in my new Lamborghini here. Just made $1 million using the turtle soup strategy. Guys, we got some new ideas. We got some turtle soup ideas. Hey, use code turtle soup at checkout for the biggest, deepest discount. Oh my god. Turtle soup. Oh man. Hey, B1, that's fucking hilarious. Oh my god. Hey, B1, that is freaking hilarious. Let me see if I can pull it up. That is hilarious. B1 got the turtle soup. Guys, we have a turtle soup. Hey, shout out to Ani. Look at this. Ani made this. Guys, this is exactly what we were looking for. Guys, look at this. We had a turtle soup formation right here. Right here. You see the shell? Look at this. Look at it. You see this wick? False breakout. That's his leg forming. Look. Here's another false breakout. Smaller leg. Formed right here. His shell. Boom. Ani, you're a fucking genius, bro. You're a fucking genius. Look at this. Formed a false breakout again. Look, formed another leg. And look, formed another leg on this. Made his head. False breakout to the upside. Rejected down. Let's fucking go, Ani. Let's go. Oh my god. Guys, Ani just posted this in our Discord. Free Discord, guys. Join it down below. Link in my bio. Come on now, Ani, this is gold. Guys, look at this turtle soup formation right here. We had a nice liquidity sweep, false breakout to the upside. Formed a shell right here. Dude, the eye right here, look at his eye. Look at this candle. This is the eye of the turtle soup. This is when it's full confirmation, false breakout, rejection hard. Guys, I think we need to make a video on this strat now. We found a new strat. Turtle soup. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, look at these wicks. These are his legs forming. This is the forming. Look, this is forming the bottom shell. Formed another wick. False breakout. Look, this was a false breakout. Ripped on up. Formed a head. False breakout to the upside. Ripped on down. Shout out Ani, man. Shout out Ani. Oh my god. Hey, yeah, we have like a JP Morgan hiring me. Hey, hey guys, you guys want to learn the turtle soup strat? Yeah. False breakout, guys. False breakout. Look, his head is forming right here. This is another good thing we got up that trade, guys. We would have got stopped out. So we let our turtle soup marinate for a bit, and we got out at a $50 profit. That was a great way to end the day. Oh my god, that is hilarious. Hey, live, check out my turtle soup strat, link in my bio. Hey, today I was trading the NASDAQ market with the turtle soup strat. Made $1 million. Yeah. Guys, see, this is the shell formation right here. Yeah. Wait, can we? Ani, that is hilarious. Okay. We can maybe, yeah. Turtles are green. Turtles are pretty green. Guys, turtle soup. Formed a nice shell right here. Yeah, that's the head. Here's his leg. Another leg. That looks like shit. Another leg. Another leg. Where's the turtle? His shell? See, it formed a shell right here. Guys, you see this? Hey, look at his legs forming. And this is the shell. This is part of the shell. This looks like a fucking dog or something. Oh, look! Guys! He's smiling. It's a happy turtle. He's happy. Guys, look at that. Guys, do you see this? We had a nice turtle soup formation. We'll put in some like colors on his shell. Make him look pretty. Turtle soup for the win. False breakout, guys. Look, formed a false breakout. Turtle soup, his feet are forming. Formed a shell right here. This is the shell. Formed another false breakout. That's his other legs. Moved up to the downside. He's looking happy. We got the turtle soup. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, this is all free. All free ICT course. Yeah, we came here for a chill stream. But we formed a nice turtle soup entry right there. Oh my gosh. Oh. Dude, the turtle looks so happy. Oh my god. That was a nice turtle drawing. Ani, that was legit. This is a great turtle. False breakout, formed a shell, false breakout, formed a head, right here, marinating the turtle soup. Shout out Ani, man. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm just gonna name this stream Turtle Soup. Guys, this is a horrible drawing. I need an illustrative artist. We got Ani on deck. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Guys, this was a very, very fun stream, man. If you guys got any questions or comments, let me know. Min, we can maybe get you a download link and we can put the turtle right on deck right here. And it can like form. So like we could just have the turtle formation right here. And then if it fits the pattern, we know we're golden. Hey guys, Casey with casinatortrades here. Today we're learning the turtle soup strategy. Turtle soup. Hey, my next video, I'm like actually like trying to be super serious. I got a suit on. I got like a drawing board with the turtle drawing. Alright guys, we got a nice turtle soup formation right here. Guys, do you see this though? This is a turtle soup. A turtle forming right here. Yeah. Guys, I low-key have to make a video on it. Yeah, guys, we gotta learn to live and laugh, man. Life is not so serious. Gotta learn to live life and laugh, man. It's good. Yeah, we're all just here chilling on a Friday. We're up $190. Come on. Come on, guys. We're done. We're just chilling right now. Good thing we got out that turtle soup. We had a false breakout. But it literally formed a false breakout. Look, it broke out this bottom range and literally formed a false breakout, staircased up, ripped a high, formed another false breakout, and it looks like, look, it's forming another false breakout, rip on down. Wow. Hey guys, today we're gonna teach the turtle soup strat. Oh my gosh. We're gonna use this next week, guys. Look, how it works. ITT example. Wait for a sweep. We waited for a sweep. Reversal. Enter the price when price is reversing from a fair value gap below a sweep low. Dude, it says bullish soup. Bearish soup. What the fuck? What's up with these soups? Bro, I'm just trying to have some pho soup. Guys, it formed a fucking another false... Look at this. Turtle soup right here. I'm not even joking. Look. False breakout. And look at that big red candle. Rejection. Look at that. Sweep to high. Made a new high. False breakout. Bearish soup. Correlating with the turtle soup. Are you guys seeing this? Wow. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my god. John is holding the turtle soup. John is putting the turtle soup to the test. Alright, let's see this turtle soup. Liquidity sweep down to the downside. Hit the London low. SMT high, down, back up. Form another turtle soup bottom into a bullish soup. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we got a turtleneck inverse forming right here. We got to be careful. Got to be a little cautious. Oh my gosh. Guys, I had no idea we were going to do freaking talk about damn turtle soup today. We been talking about that for the last hour. Yeah, like literally the first time when I heard it, some guy was like, all right, I'm looking for a turtle soup here. I'm like, what? I was like, what are you talking about? Oh my gosh. Dude, Garv and frickin' John are eating up that turtle soup, guys. Yeah, Garv. I just made $8 trillion today day trading the NASDAQ market using my turtle soup strat. Guys, I gotta record a new video with the Giga Chad. I'm here in my brand new Lamborghini with my new Rolex. We just made $1 million today with the turtle soup. And I'll put a drawing of the turtle. Formed a leg right here. False breakout to the upside. Oh, dude, this is a legit strategy. Because there's times it's a false breakout and then it goes on up. Reversal. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Garv. You're gonna get us all out of debt, Garv. Thank you very much. He's like, all thanks to Garv and the turtle soup. Guys, remember, slow and steady wins the race. The turtle will always beat the rabbit. That is right, Ani. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this stream in 3 minutes. This was fucking hilarious, honestly. This is probably the best stream out of all the streams, honestly. This is the best stream. Oh man. If you guys got any questions or comments. This is also our longest stream. We've been streaming 2.5 hours. This is a great way to end a Friday, honestly, guys. We learned a new strategy. Turtle soup. Look at this. Guys, this is what we learned today. This is our class. This is our class. False breakout. Formed a leg. Forming the shell. Another false breakout. False breakout. Formed a lower leg. Formed a head right here. Turtle soup. Rejection. Into the high. Wow. Yeah, Garv, I'm down to teach turtle soup next week for sure. Yeah, I can maybe make a video about it. Yeah. Turtle soup. Guys, I gotta make my own emoji or something with like a bunch of turtles. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Alright guys, this was a very, very, very fun stream, honestly. This is the best stream by far. We were getting hyped up with the turtle soup. We let it marinate. We literally saw it form live right here. Formed a turtle soup rejection, false breakout to the upside. Formed another false breakout. We almost got stopped out. Turtle soup marinated down to the downside. And we got out at a $50 profit. We're up $190 on the day. Dude, we're eating tonight. Like, yeah, we're calling it here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, John, we can maybe use that strat with the FOMC next week. Yeah. Jerome Powell form a nice turtle soup. Gonna catch a big move, 100 points plus. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, this was a very fun stream. Have an amazing weekend. Thank you all for tuning in like always. This was very fun. I'll be back live Monday at 9 a.m. PST. Monday through Friday, y'all. 9 a.m. PST. I'll see you guys next week. Have a blessed, amazing weekend. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage. Take your turtle soup and go. And yeah. So, appreciate y'all as always. Very fun stream. Peace out. I'll see you guys Monday at 9 a.m. PST. And yeah. Peace. Love you guys. Thank you.